Long ago in the warm hills of the Caribbean, where the sea glittered like glass, lived a clever cockroach named La Cucarachita Martina. One bright morning, sweeping her dusty yard, she found a shiny silver coin. "With this," she whispered, "I will make myself the prettiest bride in all the islands." She bought a delicate ribbon and tied it between her antennae. Back home, she sat by her window and sang, "I am looking for a husband, but tell me first, when you are angry, what sound do you make?" Soon the animals came. The rooster crowed too loudly. The pig grunted too roughly. The dog barked. The goat bleated. And the cat purred slyly. Each revealed their temper. Finally, a quiet mouse stepped forward. "When I am angry," I sighed softly, "I do not shout. I speak gently." Martina's heart fluttered, and they were married under the moonlight. But happiness can be fragile. One evening, Martina was cooking sweet corn porridge. The curious mouse climbed up to peek inside the pot. The rim was slippery, and splash, he fell in. The house fell silent. From that day, elders say, if you hear a tiny scratching near your kitchen at night, it might be Martina, still sweeping, still singing her question into the dark. When you are angry, what sound do you make? And the sea answers softly, carrying her sorrow across the islands.